Hello, welcome back to another video. This is Kaisar from Active SEO Feed. Today's video going to be about WooCommerce website. By this title, you have already know that what I am talking about today. Today, I will discuss about a major feature of e-commerce website built with WooCommerce, a WordPress plugins. This is a demo website. I have made it for showing you the lesson. By the way, if you want to build a website for your business, then you can hire me. You will find my contact details in the description of this video. Okay, let's get started. Today I'll show you the about custom order status of WooCommerce. You already know that WooCommerce is the e-commerce plugins of WordPress website. This is test orders I have created earlier, and the status is processing. There are maybe four different status of WooCommerce order, that is processing, on hold, completed, cancelled. But what will you do if you need to add another status? For example, if you want to add a status that will be shipping, I mean when you will hand over the product to the logistic company, you want to update the order status to shipping, then what will you do? Because actually there is no option for changing status to shipping. But don't worry, I will show you how you can easily do it. Let's go. For doing that, you have to install a plugins. So let's go to plugins, add new plugins. Type here custom order status. Okay, here it is. Custom order status manager for WooCommerce. By the way, this plugins is free to use and it is using by more than 10,000, and I have used it. This is good. Okay, just click install now. Then click activate. Alright, now uh, here in WooCommerce, you will find a new option, that is order status. Let's click it. Here you have the option to add new order status. So click here. Put a status name here, that is shipping, and put a flag. You have to follow the convention of flag naming. That is, if you want to use more than one word, you have to put this dash symbol. You cannot put a space. Also, look here. Do not use more than 17 characters. Do not begin with numbers, and don't use a name that is solely number. Okay, I have just keep it shipping. Status icon. You have the chance to add icon for this status. Here is the icon library, and You can choose any icon from here, but I'm not choosing any icon right now. Status view. You want to display the status icon or status name? I am good with status name. Color, I am keeping it default, everything default. Just here, paid status. Enable if order on this status has been paid. If you turn this on, then when you put a order to shipping, it will be marked as paid. Download access. If you turn it on, then it will work actually for digital product like music, like any software license key or gift card. So if you turn this on and put a order status to shipping, it will grant the download access. Okay, add to action on order page, it will be default. Add to bulk action list, default. Edit mode off. If you turn this on, then if a order is in shipping status, then admin or you can modify or change to the order. But in general, when a order is in shipping status, it should not be edited. So I keep it off. Email notification. If you turn it on, then customer will get a email notification. Okay, when you change the status. Okay, email recipient. Who will be the recipient of this email? Definitely customer. And if you want to send a copy to the admin, then just click add new and put the admin email. In my case, it is contact at activaciofeed.xyz. Okay, everything is looking good. Now just click publish. Okay, now uh, go back to orders. Now suppose I want to put it shipping. This order shipping. Just click here, change status to shipping. That's great. Okay, I have clicked shipping and apply. Look, this order status is showing shipping, and I believe that the email of this customer has got a notification email about the status changed of this order. In this way, you can add many status you need using these plugins. If you find this tutorial useful for you, just click the like button. If you face any problem, don't forget to write in our comment section. Also, if you need any help or if you have any project to be done by me, digital marketing related or maybe WordPress WooCommerce website, then don't hesitate. Just contact with me. You will find my contact details on the description of this video. Thank you.